also need a darning needle to weave our ends, and your Cactus scissor. And also, we will need yarns. I use a light green one for this coaster, and I use coral for the flower, and of course we have white for our little bees. Now, to start off, we'll need our bright green. Before we start, we need our hook and our yarn. For my base color coaster, I'm using bright green yarn, and we'll start with the magic ring. And we will chain 2 to begin our round 1. Now this chain 2 will count as our first half double crochet, and we'll just do 7 half double crochet into that ring. And I should have total of 8, including the chain 2 from the beginning. And we just close that magic ring by pulling your yarn tail, and we will slip stitch on our very first half double crochet we did, not on top of the chain 2, but on that half double crochet. Okay, and we should have a total of 8 stitches, including this joining stitch. To begin round 2, is chain 2, and we'll put 2 half double crochet in each stitch. On our last few stitches. Now, if you look, this is our last stitch here. This is the joining stitch from the round 1. One half double crochet, and this chain 2 from the beginning will count as our last half double crochet. So technically there's 2 half double crochet coming off of this stitch. So we'll just join by slip stitching to the very first half double crochet. We should have a total of 16 stitches here. Now to start round 3, we chain 2, and this will count as our last half double crochet. And on that very first chain, we'll just put 1 half double crochet into that second stitch. We'll put 2 half double crochets, now we're coming up on our last 2 stitches, and we just did the 2 half double crochet into that stitch, and we'll put 1 half double crochet in that next stitch. We'll put half double crochet into our joining chain or joining stitch from the previous row. That's 1, and our chain 2 will count out our last half double crochet that will complete that 2 sets of half double crochet into that stitch. Just slip stitch into that very first half double crochet we did to complete that round, and we should have a total of 24 stitches. To begin round 4, start off as red 2, chain, and again this will count as our last half double crochet, and we'll just put half double crochet in that very first stitch, and 1 half double crochet into the next, and 2 half double crochet into that third chain. Now we're coming up on our last 3. Let's put 1 half double crochet, that 1 half double crochet in the next. That third we need to put 2 half double crochet. Right, put 1. Chain 2 counting as our last half double crochet, and we'll just slip stitch onto the top of the very first half double crochet we did. So that's 1, 2, and this is the top. Slip stitch into that. That completes round 4, and we should have a total of 32 stitches. To begin round 5, we'll need 2 half double crochets, 2 chains, and we'll put 1 half double crochet next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 2 in that 4th stitch. Double crochet and 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 2 in the last one, that's 1, and the second one is our chain 2, and we'll just slip stitch to the top of our very first half double crochet we did. And that completes round 5. We should have a total of 40 stitches. Begin round 6. We'll start by chaining 2 again. Crochet that very first stitch, double crochet also in the next 3. So we did half double crochet first 4 and 2 in the 5th, and we'll just repeat that all the way around, and we'll do a last set by putting half double crochet in the next 4. It's 2, 3, 4, and on that 5th we'll put 2 half double crochet. That's 1, and that chain 2 will count as our first half double crochet. So we'll just slip stitch into that very first half double crochet we did. And that will complete that round. And we should have a total of 48 round 7, retain 1, and we just single crochet around. So we'll put 1 single crochet in each stitch. And now remember not to do your single crochet tight, because when you do it also tight, you'll scrunch up your circle and it won't look as good when you scrunch up your circle. So just wanna single crochet loosely, single crochet all the way around. I will meet you back here. Just continue on single crocheting around. Now for this time we will not single crochet into that join stitch, so we'll just leave that join stitch unworked. I'll just snift a bit of yarn and we'll close our circle. Now this time you'll need your yarn, darting needle, to weave in any loose ends. Circle should look like somewhat like this.